Good evening, everyone. I want to suggest some technical point about the education because education is the very prominent figure in this world. To find out a good and beneficial education, you can change your future. Without education, you do not tally any circumstances in your life because education is very powerful and prominent figure in this society. Because if you are belong in middle society, then you have only a key of power to be educated and develop your family and your future. Because in this era, the time of technology, and we know our government and our institution is focused to provide the technical and instrumental education to the children. Because to get out, the children do job in life, and every time he get more than and more than. In this term, our government is focused to the nation builders to provide the skills and many facilities was find out by the people, and do better and better in his life. I uh, I say some instrumental point in about your future. Because if you take a best education, that you can do any goal, you can achieve any goal in your life. Because if you are belongs to a poor family, then you have only option to improve the situation of your family, to educate, to be educated and do the best in your life. Because if you got out the best education in the multinational and the best universities in India, and if you got out the job in multinational companies in India, that you can earn more than more, and you by earning, your future will be secure, and your children will be got out the best education ever. And by improving your power, you can discuss your children for their future, and also improve the situation of their livelihood. In this time, the India is approx 2.3 trillion dollar economy, and approx 247 India goes 25 approx 25 trillion economy. And we will the and our growth will be better and better day by day. And in this world, if you got out the technical education, that you can achieve the job very easily. Because the era of technology and instrumental knowledge, and our India ministries and other department focus to provide the technical education that is necessary to achieve the goal more than more by other education policies. And our ministries and other department focus to provide the unique education to children. In medical sector, you see, in few years before, we have not developed, but by the technology in medical field, the development will be increased, and very crucial and bad disease we can resolve as soon as. in in scientific sector, many scientists are improve the situation of our country. And our ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, take the good role for the development of our nation. DRDO, the government body of our India, is shown their strength, and we make the definitely we make the best warship, warheads, rockets, and airplanes. aeroplanes, fighter jets for India, that will be strengthful of our country. In in the agriculture field, in some time after the agriculture field are not developed, and our farmers are faces many problems in agriculture sector. By Harit Kranti, the improvement will be soon in agriculture field, and many many new changes are find out. The fertilizer are find out in easily in our country, and we see in last time the fertilizers lacks will be improved in our country. So this is the time of technology and technical skills. So I want to say that if your child is very good and a skilled person, that you try to improve their skills day by day, and focus him to do best in his life. And some few about the tourism. The tourism sector will be increased in India day by day. In some time after, the improvement of all the tourism sector will be the ministries of Sanskriti of our of India, and many tourism places are find out in India, and many people are goes there, and find out the approximately good condition for the all the holy places in India, like temples, gurudwaras, mosques, and and enjoying with his family. In this time, I want to say that the India government wanted to improve the situation of our country. You can say in a few 10 years the highways and road are increased in very large amount in India. The taxation of the road, we find out the 16,000 crore. We collected the tax of on of toll tax plazas, that was useful for making the new roads in India. So so that I want to say one point about the biggest economy in the world, United States of America. The United States of America is the biggest economy in the world because he has road, port, and railways, and